All right, welcome back to the channel, guys. It's been a long while since we have had one of these. We got Pro VM. We have a youth baller here. He's in our Sunday youth program. Ricky.
Hello.
I don't know when this video is coming out, but you may have seen him on the channel. If you haven't, this is Ricky. You got a couple words that you want to tell the people before we get started?
I was convinced to switch to two-handed. I was convinced. We'll see how far we go.
All right, we typically have a handicap here. If he beats me, I'm gonna hook him up with the ball. If not, he's gotta work a little harder. What's the handicap gonna be? You decide.
I'm thinking backup ball.
Backup ball, okay.
I've seen you, we've been bowling recently. We gotta get some work in that.
Oh, those are fighting words. All right, man. You wanna go first or second?
You know, ladies first.
All right, go ahead. Game on.
So we did already kind of practice a little bit. Just switched, I think, what, 2 days ago, 3 days ago?
You committed a couple days ago, yeah.
A couple days ago. He says I have more potential.
It looks a lot better.
Well,
Ceiling
we'll
is
see.
very high. Oh. Oh.
Starting it off.
You're about 2 arrows further right than I thought you were gonna be.
Oh, I did too.
Very nice. Backup ball, huh? Which nugget are we gonna throw? There's too many on here. I think this one in the league was pretty good. Run it back. Go.
Oh, it looks good.
No.
Ooh.
Do I get to throw my spare ball?
Yeah, we'll make it fair. I'm shooting my spares one-handed too, so.
He said we'll make it fair. This probably doesn't make it fair. Although you do have the lead. If you just don't miss,
yeah.
you win. Oh!
That's a miss right there.
That's
in my
a miss. I taught him well. He said, that's a miss.
It's when we practice, we have to double tap it to count it as an actual spare.
Double tap. Practice double tap. Double tap. If
Cool
you guys are
boy.
liking the threads, EFX.co for anything really. DHTA for 10% off.
Yeah, because usually when we're bowling, a spare counts as a double tap.
Or double tap counts as a spare. That Viking rolls nice.
Ooh, toasted him up.
Uh-oh. Spare shot.
A solid spare shot to start the day with. I am doing what he does, which is throw the spares one-handed, because I did originally start one-handed.
Oh. Ah. All right, Ricky. Tell the people, what do you average?
About a 190 on the sport shot.
You're
during league.
190 on the sport?
House, haven't bowled a house league.
So about 190 on both?
190, 180. Not the best, but not the worst.
When did you start bowling?
About a year and a half ago, since last summer. I really started taking it seriously about 6 or 7 months ago.
No. That was a bad one. I'm letting Julian down. I'm sorry, King Julian. I'll be better. The next shot will be better. 1 pin deficit.
That's a solid make. That's a solid make.
Yeah.
That's a make right there.
Ricky Poop leading the pack.
What do you think the adjustment is off that?
I ain't gonna help you.
Really?
Ball against each other.
Okay. We're gonna.
What do you mean adjustment? You nutted the first one.
Yeah, I did, but the nerves.
Hook a little.
Hey, they're not hooked.
Ooh.
Struggling. We can make this.
Show me how.
How I did the last one.
Show me how.
How I did the last time we made a spare. Pray.
Yeah.
Oh
You pray hard enough.
no! Nah, I needed more than prayers. I needed skill. Skill was not there.
What is your favorite part about the Sunday Youth League?
How interactive the coaches are. We have Tim, you, sometimes Sima.
Sometimes, Simon.
Sometimes.
Would you recommend it?
Yeah, I really would. If you really want to take your bowling to the next level, it's something I would do, but you really have to be committed.
That was better. Go. Hit it.
I'll say commitment's probably the best part about it. We're really big on teamwork. We don't like bashing each other into the ground.
Teamwork.
We like friendly competitiveness, but.
Okay. Would you say it's a league like no other? Like, could you get this anywhere else in the world?
Oh, no, absolutely not. With how we coach and how we learn, no chance. It's like a one in a specialty league.
I'm just gonna spare you to death. All right, I'll give you one. I think you need to move left. I think you're too far outside the league range. You got big rev rate, use it.
Gonna do a couple board movement, see what we're doing here. Missed in.
All right, I think you gotta move about another 7 off of that.
The score says 10 back.
It does,
Hey.
it does. If I shoot 190 throwing a backup ball, I'm cool with it.
You did it a couple days ago.
Oh, that was on a sport pattern.
Spared you to death there.
League says otherwise. I need to start striking. Oh no. I'm just good for now. I'm switching balls.
Almost carries.
I'm going for a ball change. I don't like hooking it that much. There's too much hook out there.
Would you say it's easier to sport shot here than a house shot?
The house shot is more challenging here than other places.
That's a great spare. I'm
50-50.
50-50.
50-50 on makes.
50-50.
All right. Hey, you got a lot of life. A strike here puts the squeeze on me.
What am I? I had to punch out the 256?
Oh, I have a random bowling ball that'll roll really good here.
Oh, no.
How random.
How random. We haven't seen that ball in forever.
Random.
Move a little bit more left, about 5.
Is it good?
It's 10 back.
It's good for 10.
It's good for 10.
He's locked
Is it good
in.
for the eyes?
He's locked in. All right, 1-pin match here.
Would you say you like coaching the league?
I like coaching people that are eager to learn. We have to throw faster. Faster's good. That's terrible.
Oh, that's in. Sim.
Oh. I'm throwing it so bad right now.
It's looking like a couple days ago.
Hey, can I hook it the other way for the spare?
Yeah. Gotta make it fair. The score says.
Gotta make it fair. Runaway Brooklyn. Flush Brooklyn. Gotta make it fair.
What do you say your favorite aspects of the league is? Or the training?
I like the training part. I like that it's not just brainless, mind-numbing games. It's not really a league. It's more like a training program.
Would you say it reminds you of Team USA?
I think we're trying to use some elements from team camp to help you guys, yeah. I definitely pull what I learned from there and try to bring it here. I figure if the best in the world are doing it, why not try to apply it here?
I'll tell you what, it's hard. It's hard because you're competing not against just yourself, but your friends. You make good relationships.
You guys aren't even really competing yet.
Not yet. At the end of last season?
It's just fun and games right now.
Right now, until we get later on and it's...
Here and there, it's just games. Oh! Wow.
Oh, no.
Okay, keep in mind, he's been bowling two-handed full-time for about 2 days.
If I throw the ball one-handed, I might.
So if I lose...
It's not good.
Oh, that's bad if I lose.
It's not good.
I better not lose.
Can I hook at this one-handed, or you think Tim's gonna get mad at us?
I think you should throw it straight. You gotta build confidence in your straight ball. Oh, smooth!
Shout out Darren for the spare shooting system.
Smooth.
That's how I learned how to shoot spares.
Hey, Ricky's getting good real quick. He shows up to practice.
Trying to get good though.
He shows up.
Howtobowl.com.
You gotta show, he's got the plug, howtobowl.com. Link in the description below. Plugging it up for us. All right, let's throw a good one here. That's not bad.
Oh, that looks good off the hand. Whoa.
Drop the hammer. That is not, no, what you're thinking, that's not what I was doing. It's not what I was doing.
Yeah, now I'll tell you what, the biggest part of score, spares.
You can make up a lot of pins if you make up your spares.
Oh yeah, a lot.
Pick up them spares, kids.
Do a ball change to...
Ricky would know.
I won.
Ricky!
Because of a spare.
Oh, ball change. Spinning.
That looks good. Oh!
That's crazy how different your tilt is two-handed.
Well, I have negative tilt one-handed?
No, you have negative tilt. Yeah, you have negative tilt one-handed, but you almost spin it two-handed.
Oh no, another one of these?
It's just like the last pair.
Oh yeah, you're right.
He said, oh no, nut.
So spares matter.
I'm locked in though. You might be in trouble.
Matter.
You might be in trouble now.
Or am I though? Am I? I'm up by what? 15 pins?
You're about to not be up after this.
Oh,
go.
It's not looking good for me.
You're no longer up.
It's not looking good.
You let me in. Don't let me in.
The floodgates. You are the coach. You got any tips?
Keep your hand under the ball. Keep your hand behind the ball.
Okay, let's try that. You thirsty?
Actually, I was. I just took a sip of my drink.
Oh no.
You gotta stop saying, oh no, you're locked in.
With spares, yeah.
You picked up 3 pretty tough spares.
Gotta do the Darren method right here. The right foot and a little bit in front.
Ooh. Wow.
That's amazing.
Look at that. He's got the little tricks. He got the little tricks.
Hey, shout out howtobowl.com.
every spare. Howtobowl.com? Howtobowl.com?
Guaranteed.
Howtobowl.com?
Guaranteed.
Howtobowl.com?
No. Where can we learn that though?
Howtobowl.com?
Real question is, where's Simon?
Howtobowl.com?
Where's Simon during league?
He's in the back working on the machines.
You know, you come into Gold Coast anytime, just a random day. You'll probably see Simon on the machine working.
If you come into Gold Coast on a random day, your chances of seeing me or Simo are pretty high.
Let's get my hand up the back, get it out there.
Oh,
that's
not
good.
Bad. He needs it. He needs it. Doesn't get it. You're really in trouble now. You need to hope that I open. No, he's locked in. That's a miss though.
Sadly, it is.
You get
No,
nucks.
in our book, it is.
You get nucks. Scoreboard accounts. You just gotta hold yourself to a higher standard if you want to be great.
No, that's very true. Degrading yourself isn't really the best idea. It's support each other, support yourself, try to get better. Oh, is it good?
Go.
You know, I'm
Is
thirsty.
it good? No. I'm gonna try to make this one.
Oh,
Hey, we still got a match.
we do.
If you double, I got a mark.
I'm thirsty. Apparently he doesn't really care.
That's a make.
That is me.
That's a make. I mean, even if you guys are raising your hands, doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
Double tap. Look at that. I'm over 50%.
I need to punch out.
60%. You need a double.
No.
Unless I somehow throw a gutter or fall on my face.
Just throw the ball harder is my thought right now.
That was well thrown. Oh.
You know?
Oh.
If I make this,
I'll make you a deal. Yeah, you make this, throwing it straight, I will let you win the match.
Let me.
This is for everything.
This is a let?
This is for a ball. Well, it's already over.
This is for
Like,
more
you're
than a
not gonna
ball.
win.
This is for my dignity.
If you miss it, you're already out of wood. So I'll let you make it for the win. For
What's
the
your
win.
idea? Throw it straight up the gutter or across it?
Shoot it how you would shoot it in competition. Oh, it's got a chance.
Oh, is it gonna do what it did the other day?
Good count, good count, good match, good match. It's not bad though. You're bowling for the first time two-handed.
Yeah, could have been better. Could have been better.
All right, I gotta finish the game as a formality.
Oh man, if I would have picked it up though. You know?
You guys want to see a one-handed shot?
You gonna hook at it?
Oh!
Hey, that's why we never hook at our spares.
That's why you don't hook it at your
That's
spares.
why you
That's why we don't hook it at our
spares.
spares. All right, Ricky, I appreciate you.
Thank you for letting me come on.
Thanks for being on. Thanks for being a great role model for the other kids on Sundays. I mean, you show up to practice even on the other days of the week. So, I mean, this guy's here grinding all the time. So, really cool.
It's fun when you have a good coach and you have great people leading you. It's more so finding ways to improve.
Try to get these brownie points.
Oh, absolutely.
This guy's a pain in the ass. Drop a like for Ricky. He bowled really good. He's starting his journey two-handed, so we wish him the best of luck with that. If you guys made it this far, appreciate it if you guys subscribe to the channel. And as always, thank you for watching. We're out.
Don't ever forget though.
Forget what?
Howtobowl.com.
Howtobowl.com.
Let's go.